mainly office spaces and multi-tenant buildings. Those are the workspaces that I believe need more frequent cleaning due to the high traffic, depending also what type of business. It could be a medical office, it can be a realtor office, a multi-tenant building that has, different different businesses in one building. So yeah, those are the areas that we think should be cleaned frequently. It varies depending on the business. Usually medical offices are clean Monday through Friday. Office spaces where, as I mentioned, have high traffic areas, those are areas that we clean on a daily basis. For maintaining hygiene and share areas is maintaining the cleaning on a daily basis. Some areas, some buildings that we clean, they have a person that works during the day as a day porter. This person goes through the entire building throughout the day, cleaning all the areas. Now we have a night crew that comes around 6 p.m. at night, and those are the ones who take care of more of a deep clean. So those are ways for us to keep a good hygiene and share areas, especially, like I said, multi-tenant buildings.